Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Crochet Workshop magazine. All links for everything are listed down below this video. You can find this on Amazon if you'd like to take a look. Um, the winner, all you need to do is contact me with your information so I can mail this out to you as soon as possible. And my email is listed down below as well. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. Look out for new giveaways in the future. I try to do them once a week, just depending. I also have a few other giveaways or a few other promotions. The Crochet Hat for Beginners, Crochet for Beginners. Soon I'm going to do another Crochet for Beginners paperback book giveaway, so look out for that. And my mugs and my bag at my Etsy store, all links are down below. All right, so let's see who the winner is. Nancy McCanny. I'm always up to a new magazine, and one with crochet helps is awesome. Okay, well, congratulations. You are the winner. Please contact me as soon as possible with your information. I'll send it out to you as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, watching, and look out for new giveaways in the future.